Hi guys, so today I would like to talk to you about containers, right? So what is the big deal? Why is containers so amazing? Containers are a way to virtualize your applications at an operating system level. So why is that amazing? So look at hardware virtualization here. So this is how traditionally virtualization was done. So you would have a hardware, and you would on top of it you would install some operating system, and on top of that you would install some hypervisor or something that allows you to create a virtual machine. And a virtual machine is actually a full computer, right? It has a CPU, it has a memory, it has network cards, it has everything. And on top of this virtual machine you would install an operating system, and this on top of this operating system you would install your applications, right? And you may have multiple VMs like these, right? So you have VM1, we have VM2, and many more VMs on the same hardware. So look at this virtualization mechanism. You have layers duplicated, right? So you have the operating system on the hardware, and then you have the operating system on the virtual machine. So this layer is duplicated. Similarly, you have the hardware, the physical hardware, and then you have the virtual machine, which is again another layer of duplication, right? So operating system virtualization or containerization allows you to kind of isolate your applications without this duplicate layers, right? So you have the hardware, on top of that you install your operating system, and on top of that you install your applications directly. But there's a twist. You box this container, this application inside this container, right? So this application thinks that it has the operating system all to itself, right? So using operating system APIs like C groups, you're able to box this application inside this container, so it kind of is isolated from all these other applications, right? So let me give you an example. So I have a Docker running here. So what I'm doing here is I'm saying create me a container and run bash application on top of it, right? So if I run this creates a container and runs the bash application on top of my container. Notice how fast this is. So if I type psaux, show me all the list of applications, I can only see bash here, right? So if I move to cd and I say pwd, I'm in /root, and I write some commands, write some files into it. It's like hi.txt. So I can see the file is here in the root directory, and if I say cat hi.txt, the file is there. But if I go to the host system, say pwd, I'm in root, the hi file is not here. So basically this application is running inside a box, kind of like a box, which is called a container. So this is isolated from every other application. So that way we can gain some efficiency. This is why containers are a big deal. This is why Google and Amazon and all these other companies are big on containers, because it allows you to save a lot of resources.